the DX has a saddlebag, a hard saddlebag option. So this is exciting. I just saw this at Emmo, so I'll be adding this to the website. So these are the same as the Cayman, because the Cayman has come with this. I don't know what the retail is. We'll put it in the description. But these are a good size. I know the ones that came with the Zone, I felt they were a little bit small and narrow, but I like the size of these. So that's how they come down. Do you know how much these are, Dean? I know it's 400 for the Nook. Yeah, 400, because I know that the saddlebags that come with the Nook, they're $3.98. Nook, knock? I think there's supposed to be a C in there if it's knock. Okay, knock. So that's not bad. Same key for all of them. Where's the key? I don't know where it is. Oh, it's the yellow, the red one's here. Okay, awesome. So definitely makes it kind of high, but hey, that is pretty convenient because the DX, as you know, is one of Darren and mine's favorite of the motorcycles. It's comfortable while it's going. You know I don't practice anything before I do a video. Why isn't the key? Oh, is it this key? No, it's for the bike. It should be the red. Does the button go in?
Unlock it first and then hopefully use the button.
Which button? The button doesn't go in.
Show you.
Oh, I need to. Oh. So that's how you take it off. Press harder. Right? See, this is why I do different videos, Dean, because I don't practice anything. I'm like, oh, look at this. Let's do a video. It's first-hand experience. Okay, so that takes it off. Now, yes,
comes
please.
Dean to help.
Oh, you just got magic touch. You got the magic touch. I wasn't pressing enough. Let's see. Okay. There. We learned how to do it. Okay. So I don't know what the capacity is, but that'll fit a decent sized helmet, not a full size. Half helmet for sure, or 3/4. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Good stuff, Emmo. Good stuff. Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.